the income is so much less. I don't know. You can look at it this way and say, well, setting up joint income annuities for married individuals, Hey there, I'm John Stevenson. Welcome to the Guaranteed Retirement Guy Show. I'm out here in the woods next to the Carson River, south of Lake Tahoe, and I'm going to talk to you about a gentleman that I'm helping right now create a lot of lifetime income for himself. Again, if you're looking for an annuity for yourself, go to my website, johnstevenson.com, and you'll be able to check out my calculators there and see what's available. Rates are good right now, and so there's just a lot of interest right now just because people can lock in a whole lot of lifetime income for themselves. But this gentleman, he is from Missouri. He is 6 years out from retirement. His wife is 11 years younger. So this is a little different because his wife is so young, he's going to do a single life payout versus a joint life. Now, normally when you're married, you want to do joint, but the income is so much less if they do a joint, and she has plenty of money and she can actually create her own income with her own annuities and her own pensions. And so in this circumstance, it does make sense to do it that way. And this is common for people who have a large age gap when they're married to do separate contracts, because you can get more. And as long as you have enough assets, each spouse can buy their own. So he's putting $365,000 in it, and it's going to have 9% simple interest. So it's going to earn $32,850 every year. That's what's going to hit his benefit base. Okay, that's going to happen for 6 years, and the ending benefit base will be $562,100, and that will be multiplied by 8.55%, and that's the withdrawal rate, and that's what gives him the $48,060 every year for life. So he's getting basically $4,000 a month for the rest of his life. That is phenomenal. That's great income. It's great income. He's got to wait 6 years for it, but I don't know. You can look at it this way and say, well, I can leave that in the stock market or whatever, bonds. Hopefully, maybe I can earn the same $32,000 every year on that balance. And then at the end of 6 years, I can make my own income. Maybe you can make a little bit more. But if you have 1 year where it's down in the dumps, then it kind of destroys your whole plan. So for him, it just made sense. He's going to get this 9% simple interest and have that $32,000 added to his benefit base every year until he takes income. So he's going to take a lot of income. He's got Social Security as well. And his wife, she will have her own income sources. I think we're going to set up an annuity for her as well. So when it comes to setting up joint income annuities for married individuals, I always encourage people to do that. Unless the age gap is so wide, then sometimes it doesn't make financial sense. And then in that case, you just do separate policies for each one of them. So I've had people where there's an age gap of 30 years and the other spouse is still working, the other one's retired, and they set it up that way because the spouse that's still working will build up a portfolio large enough for themselves where they can generate their own income from it later on. So you just have to look at everything. I mean, my wife's 4 years younger than me, so we're going to do joint payouts for our annuities. It's a little bit less because she's younger, but for us that makes sense. I don't want her to have to go out and try to figure out how to sell different investments and try to create some income from that. It's just so much easier with an annuity contract. So I highly recommend it. If you're looking for an annuity, go to my website, johnstevenson.com. Check out the income rider calculator. That'll show you all the top payouts. There's other calculators there, but if you want the highest income, the income rider typically will give you it. And then reach out. Okay, there's a link right there. You can book a call with me and we'll get on a Zoom meeting and I'll answer your questions. And if you're looking to purchase an annuity, of course, I'd love to help you. There's a link below this video as well. Anyways, I'm sitting here on a log, and I've never made videos out here. There's so many places to create videos, and I'm always hiking around, always kind of exploring around here, taking my kids out here, and it's just a beautiful place. And everything's starting to warm up too. So we're going into late spring, and pretty soon we'll be into early summer here. But it's already in the 70s, and river's still kind of high. It was higher actually before, but A lot of good fishing here, a lot of good fly fishing, actually. It's a beautiful day. Anyways, so I just want to get out here and chat with you a little bit about the people I'm helping. And I help people every day with these contracts. I have a lot of people that are being pitched a lot of options from their advisor, but they typically are just given an option that's not the highest payout, and for whatever reason that advisor decides to show it to them. So anyway, so they'll reach out to me, and then I will show them other options that are available and kind of guide them and let them know what they could and what they could do. And obviously the decision is up to you, but that's what an advisor is there for. They should be there to help and guide you and hopefully be doing the best thing for you, hopefully showing you all the best options. But the longer I'm in this business, the more I realize that there's just so many people that don't do that. And it's unfortunate, because when you're looking to have high lifetime income from the money that you work so hard to accrue, then you absolutely deserve to see all the options available. So that's what I try to do with my calculators. And obviously with these videos, I try to share as much as I can as well. So if you like the video, make sure you like, subscribe, share, comment below. If you have questions, I'd be absolutely happy to go over them. And again, if you're looking for an annuity, just click the link below, schedule a call with me, or if you want to go to my website, johnstevenson.com, feel free to go there as well. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you, and we'll see you next time. Hey, I really appreciate you watching the video today. If any of it makes sense to you, or if you found value, or if you even got a question about anything, I hope that you'll go to the comments section and ask it. There's no stupid question, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you.